Hi, I'm Courtney Chilson. I'm a designer here at Sizzix, and today I'm going to show you the next line of our embossing folders. So this is my new line of Impresslits. If you're not familiar with what Impresslits are, they are embossing folders that come with dies already glued and inserted inside so that you can cut and emboss at the same time. They're really great for shaker cards, card fronts, anything you want. They're very imaginative and make your card making very easy. For my first Impresslit, it's my happy birthday design. Now with this Impresslit, I amped up the technology. As you can see, you have your standard die that comes glued in, your happy birthday, but it also comes with 3 other separate dies. Now with these dies, you can get 5 different combos to work with your card. You can insert the large circle by itself, a small circle, or both of them together, and I'll show you those designs in a minute. But it also comes with your great sequence dies too to help make your shaker cards. For the first design, here's what it looks like with just your standard happy birthday. It just cuts out the words for you. For the second, you can use with the center circle to give you just a little bit more space to work with your shaker card. Just a little great extra design there. For the third, if you don't want happy birthday, say you want to make a Christmas card or something with a snow globe, you just want the dots, you can remove the happy birthday altogether. And then if you utilize all these dies together, you can get your great little separate piece, if you want to make a different color, or even to make your own little individual design for the circle for the happy birthday. For my second Impresslit, I have my lovely Christmas tree design. This is my own personal favorite. I just really love Christmas tree designs, and it was awesome to get to make one. For this one, I got to utilize our new technology of foam. Really helps you bring out the paper out of your cut. I utilize it in making more like a scene shot, so you have your nice embossing on the side where it says believe. This is really great for the Christmas season. You can utilize the sequence dies to help decorate your tree and your card. It also helps with making it a shaker. And I just really love this design. I feel like you can get a lot of versatility out of it for your holiday season. So for my third Impresslit design, I have my Christmas tree ornaments. This one was a lot of fun. With this one, I also used the foam technology, but there's also, for the first time you'll see, embossing on the negative space between the cutouts, just to give that card a little bit of extra pop. And this is probably going to be your best card for making shakers for the holiday season. So for my fourth Impresslit, I have my Sweet Friend design. When I was designing this one, I really wanted to keep the simplicity of the Impresslits. I really love how all 4 of them cut out these great shaker pockets. But what makes this card so extra special is the thinlet sets that come with it. With this one, you get 4 thinlits. You have your Sweet Friends, your Bumblebee, and this great honeycomb cutout. Now with the honeycomb, you can use it as a net behind your cutouts, but also use the negative pieces to make your shaker card. And see how you can use the negative cutouts as well on top of your card. Really gives you great versatility for this Impresslit. Next, we have our 3D embossing folders. For the first folder, we have the Confetti Heart folder. Now with this great folder, you can use it all year round, not just Valentine's Day. It's great for anniversaries, happy birthday, you name it. And I'm going to show you how you get that great technique with the actual folder. Now with this folder, if you look closely, you can see you don't just have 2 levels, but many. They give you a really extra good kick with your embossing. For the next 3D folder, we have our Falala. Now this card is great for covering all your seasonal needs. If you take a look at the folder, you'll see some great detail in this folder. Works great for your Christmas cards. Anything you need for the season, you have a wonderful texture to work with. This really is a great embossing folder for your holidays. So I hope you've enjoyed our newest line of embossing folders, and happy crafting!